Hello everyone, and welcome back to Journey English Daily. How are you today? I hope you're all doing well. Remember, the more you study, the more you improve, right? I'm Anna, and I'm super excited for today's topic, how to speak English in daily conversation. It's such a valuable skill, and it's all about sounding natural and relaxed.
That's awesome. So what does it really mean to sound natural? Does it involve a certain feel or vibe?
Exactly. Imagine walking into a cafe where laughter fills the air and conversations abound. Wouldn't it be amazing to just jump in without a second thought? It all begins with small steps. Our goal is to help each other learn to speak English naturally, one step at a time.
So I guess starting with simple phrases like, "Hey, how's it going?" works, but how do you keep it flowing after that?
Exactly. Simple greetings break the ice instantly. And then when someone asks, "How are you?" You can respond with, "I'm good, thanks," or "Just a little tired." These are easy, welcoming responses.
I love that approach. But what about how we sound? Does adding warmth to your voice make a difference?
Oh, absolutely. Practicing a warm tone is so important. You want your voice to feel friendly and inviting. Using everyday expressions like, "Oh, really?" or "That makes sense," really helps to create a comfortable vibe.
That totally makes sense. So, are those filler words like and actually useful in a conversation? Or are they just awkward?
Oh, definitely. Fillers make your speech more relatable and genuine. Think about it. When we talk in real life, those little pauses happen naturally. They help ease conversation flow. It's all about comfort over perfection.
Right. I remember this one time at a dinner party where I kept saying, too much. It felt so, awkward and unpolished.
Haha! We've all had those moments. That's why responding naturally and using simple phrases is so vital. It keeps conversations alive. Responses like, "I see," or "Yeah, I get it," can keep the chatter going.
Oh, totally. Could you share some examples of longer conversations? How does that flow go?
Of course! Here's a fun example. "Hey, how's it going today?" Then the reply could be, "Just relaxing a bit. How about you? Isn't that easy?"
Wow, that sounds super chill. I once had a convo like that while I was waiting for a train, and it really made the time fly.
I love that. Daily conversations don't need fancy words. You just need to be your authentic self. Clarity and simplicity are key. And those natural fillers will make everything flow smoother.
Yeah, I get that. It feels way more casual and less pressured. So, what's next on our learning journey?
Now, let's dive into a little story about learning to speak English naturally. Imagine a warm afternoon. There's a learner named Mia, sitting in a cafe, feeling a bit nervous about speaking English. She orders her tea and leans in, listening to the conversations around her, while whispering to herself, "I want to speak like that."
Oh, I can totally relate. It's all about finding that courage, right? Didn't we all feel that at some point?
Exactly. Mia practices some simple phrases from her notebook, and when the waiter comes by, she takes a deep breath and replies confidently, "Yes, everything's great, thank you."
Yay! That's such a great moment. You can just feel her excitement.
It truly is. That simple reply felt so natural to Mia. The takeaway here is that day by day, her English becomes smoother, not perfect, but warm and inviting.
Wow, that's super motivational. It shows that it really is about being natural, right?
Precisely. Daily conversation is more about genuine connection rather than chasing perfection. You're doing wonderfully, and I can't wait to see how you apply this knowledge.
Thanks so much for this incredible advice, Anna. I feel like, super energized to start practicing.
I'm so glad to hear that. Until next time, keep those conversations alive, and remember that you can always lean on small, simple habits. See you soon on Journey English Daily.
Can't wait. Seriously, this has been so helpful. Thank you.